Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your screen sleep time on iPhone. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to adjust your screen sleep time on iPhone, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, open the Settings app on your iPhone. And once you're in Settings, scroll down a little and tap Display and Brightness. Here in the Display and Brightness section is where you can customize various screen settings, such as appearance, brightness, text size, and more. So just scroll down until you find the auto lock option and then tap it. For example, you can set it to 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, or even never if you don't want your screen to turn off automatically. So simply select the screen sleep time that you prefer. Just keep in mind that choosing a shorter screen sleep time can help save battery life, while setting it to a longer duration or never may use more battery since your screen stays on for a longer period. And that's it, guys. Congratulations, you have successfully adjusted your screen sleep time on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.